Good morning, guys. Yesterday we made it. Yesterday. Okay, so today I having Gino. Okay, I'm not having a problem with Gina. My problem is Christine. Okay, so guys, Tuesday, Friday today. It's a payday. Payday today. We need to get paid. So these are the bonuses which you can play each with 10 rand. If you play with 10 rand, you're gonna get profit from those. You spend 40 rand to make 500 rand. You can also play them as singles if you can. Like yesterday, you know what happened? I posted bonuses. I think it was 4 bonuses, but then those bonuses, one came as a bonus, then the other ones they came as singles, which is, sometimes that also happens. Okay, so our first code is 127. Which is our first code, 127. So with 127, because I see there are numbers that are on high rotation here. Okay, for example, I'm going to say 1 plus 27 is 28. 1 minus that is 26. Which these numbers have dropped again yesterday. So they are still hot. Which means they are hot. If you say 1, let's say 12 plus 7 is 19. 12 minus that is a 5. Then, now here's the tricky. It depends on how the presenter breaks the code, but it's still the same code. If you can check here, if I say, for example, if I can just say 1 plus 2, I carry 3. I do exactly what I always do every day. I'll carry 37. If I subtract, it gives me a 1. Then I carry that one, it gives me 17. So remember, these codes, they work on Betway and UK Fortnite. So if my recommendation here is rather skip the Betway and check which numbers came, then now you're going to know exactly what is going to come on UK. Because it happens if we play these numbers on UK, they come on Betway. So either way, if you have got maybe enough voucher, you can play them on UK, you can play them on Betway. But my bank of today is 46, it's 43 and 36, which is I'm going to use this code 135. Let me try to utilize everything that I have. 1 plus 35 is 36, which is our banker today. 1 minus that is 34, which is 43 as the banker. You understand? So that is why I'm like saying 43, 36 is a very, very powerful number that can drop on UK or on Betway. At least we have got sure 2 numbers that we can play on Betway and UK Fortnite. Am I clear on that? Then we noted down. We're going to take this middle number 3. We take the 15 there, we pair and say 315. It happens. Then after that, we're going to say 13 plus 5. We get an 18. 13 minus 5, you get is it an 8? So which means you can as well put 818. But this number, it's been a long time they're not playing 818. They used to do that before, but now they've actually changed, or I don't know, they've actually upgraded their system. Okay, we come again and say 1 plus 3, we get a 4. We get what? 45. We put 45 down there. We say 1 minus 3 is a 2. We get a 25. We put it down there as a 25. So which means these are edible numbers which you can maybe add, but I'm not recommending you. If you're not comfortable with 3 or 4 numbers, don't play them, because you don't know what you're doing. You're just going to play a 4 number, then it doesn't drop, then you lost. You see? Okay, so as I've said to you guys, banker is 43 and 36 and 13. You can add a 13 here, because this number is very, very hot. Okay, then we come again to code 136. This code 136, it shows us that if we say 1 minus 36 is 35, 1 plus that is 37, 13 plus 6 is 19, 13 minus that is a 7. So each and every code you do pairing. We say 36, let's say we're going to say 316. Then we say 36, 35, 36, 19. Each and every code, you make sure that you do pairs. Okay, then we say 1 plus 3 is a 4. That's how we're going to get this 46 as the bonus ball. Do you see that? Because now our 46 appears now. 1 minus that is a 26. 26 has appeared so much. So I'm going to change 26 from 26 to the home figure, which is what? 8. That is why I'm like super excited about the 818, you know. Okay, I'm going to the last chord now. The last chord is 130. This is the last chord, 130. This chord is just going to be 31, 13, 10, 30. That's how I usually break this chord. So you can play these numbers like this because this chord is 130. That's my recommendation with the chord like this. And then, because we are dealing with Gina, you have to know that there's this thing which is called a split. Split, it means to split. I don't know in English, but it's a split. I don't know how I can explain it in English, but it's just like split. Split. If someone can say split this food into 4, you understand, you have to make sure that it's an example, you know. So now we are splitting because Gina is a splitter and this other girl Christy, they split their numbers. So it's 100 plus 30 plus 5. You know what I'm doing here is very important, guys, because these girls, that's what they do. They split the numbers. Split again. It's 100 plus 30 plus 5. So you see, 30 is very good. It's very good to split again here. We can create 5 numbers today. 100 plus 30 plus, then that's 30. Yes, there's no plus anymore, you see. And then I give you the bankers as well. I don't know how you're going to fail because I've already said the bankers. The banker, let me see, a banker is a sure number, 43. We go again to this other second banker, which is what did I say, is 36. We go to the third banker. You can take the bankers, pay them, put the bonuses on top. Then I think you're gonna, but I don't want you guys to just be spoon fed. Crack these chords. Then the third banker is 13. So if, let me say, you were to be given this at school and then they say, guys, just pay, because now it's accurate. I did split the numbers, I did put the bankers, I did put the bonuses. So the rest is, you guys have to go to the parent app or use the Dreamwheel. But the Dreamwheel gives you a lot of numbers, which is actually an advantage because you won't lose if you use the Dreamwheel. Out of the numbers that I've mentioned, if you take the Dreamwheel and try to pay your numbers, definitely you're going to be fine. You're gonna be super fine. And guys, there we go. Today is Make a Million. The schedule is changing. I'm going to post Make a Million today in Powerball, as I always used to do. You understand? Just come and purchase the book or come and join my group. That's it. I think we are sorted, guys. Thank you very much for your patience and thank you very much for watching. Keep on subscribing, commenting and liking the videos. So if you want to join, you'll see the link in the first comment of the video. Thank you very much.